Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? So I decided to upgrade and get a nice camera so I can vlog and take you guys on my little journey as I go through, go through this process of buying houses and wholesaling and everything attached to real estate. So I'm very excited. I just got the new Canon EOS. That's how you say it. Who knows? Mirrorless, and all I know is that it works. I do have the property that I just purchased last week. I've done a little bit of rehab on it, and I get to the property, I can show you exactly what's going on. I just want to give you all guys all in depth, from tear down, everything like that. And we're off. We are headed back to the house. Oh my goodness, who is that? Who is that? All right, so we have, I just freaking spilled protein. Sorry about that. A little bit of protein. Got a complete vegan protein. Wait for that thing to focus. There we go. Yeah. So that's what if I don't feel like eating anything, then I'll eat a little bit of protein. So let's go get dressed and let's go to the house real quick and see what Greg's up to. So normally I really don't bother him while he's working out, but I just talk to him and show you guys exactly like what the hell's going on. So he'd be like, yo, what up, my guy? What up? Yo.
If anybody ever comments, just fucking hit that shit right.
Hell yeah. Inside. Up. Let's go, inside. Let's go, inside.
I'm lost and I'm found, but it's torture being in love. I love when you're around, but...
We just made it out here to the property. That's it. That's the property. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. A lot of trash. Oh, ridiculous. Whatever. That's comes with the territory. Hey. Really just got the water turned on yesterday morning. They came out here and turned the water on. Now I got to go inside and make sure that everything's copacetic and that that the water works. Boom, boom. Try to get some light in here. Shit's boarded up. I don't even want to touch it. There we go. There we go. There we go. A little bit more light in here. It's gonna be cute once that's quite a dip right there. Nice little light in here. Bathroom needs some work. All this stuff is coming out. Oh, goodness gracious. What the heck was going on in here? What up? Okay. Boom. I got the dressers. This dresser's here. Dresser's here. I got that out. The carpet. We got a Sakista. That's starting to rain. Got it all, everything cleaned out of here, got trash. I just gotta pull this stuff up now. So let's try to pulled out everything in here. Pulled out the little table dresser that was in here. So I just finished up for the day, and I have Kiska here with me. Say what up, Keys, what up, what up? So I am about to leave. Pretty hectic outside. I don't know if you can really see anything. So I got everything, most of everything done. The rain's coming down pretty hard. Whatever. But other than that, so this was my first vlog. We'll see how it goes. My first rehab vlog, anyways. But you guys stay tuned and let me know. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later.